Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Dropbox at 2026. So actually guys, you will need just to open up your favorite browser and then just go and type on the search bar canva.com and then just sign in to your Canvas account. After that, you will need to open any design or create a new one. So I will set an example with an existing one, so we will go with that for example. And here you will be able to see a sidebar. Okay, it's on the left, that's the left sidebar. So all you need to do is to go and click on apps here, apps option, okay, and then just select the search Canva apps or the search bar on the pop-up menu of the apps option. Then there you go. So you all need just to type right there Dropbox, hit enter and select that option, the Dropbox icon, then just go with open, then connect. So here you will need to select your login method, the Google or Apple, or you can just go with an email. And after connecting to your Dropbox files will be shown up directly inside Canva, and you will be able to use them afterward. So actually guys, it's so simple. As you can see, you only just open the design or a Canvas design, then apps, then just look for Dropbox, select the Dropbox icon, click it, and then just continue, log in with your account, and there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.